Hey there, Harmonious, I'm Jack, and this is of course DSNY Newscast, and before we get started, be sure to go and subscribe down below if you're new to the channel, and also turn on the notification bell if you want to receive updates every time I release a new video. And with all of that out the way, let's get straight into it. As with just 100 days left until the kickoff to what Disney is touting as the most magical celebration on Earth, today on Good Morning America, we received more details for Walt Disney World's 50th anniversary that officially begins on October 1st. And so let's begin, as we have finally received confirmation that a new nighttime spectacular will be debuting at the Magic Kingdom on October 1st. That is called Disney Enchantment. And as we can see in this rather abstract piece of concept art, this golden projection glow bathing Cinderella Castle will also extend down Main Street USA, with all new street length projection mapping as well, similar to what was implemented for the 60th anniversary of Disneyland in 2015, and then later enhanced even more in 2019. However, the arrival of this new nighttime show poses the question of what does this mean for the much beloved fan favourite Happily Ever After, that only debuted in May of 2017. And well, the verbiage within the article makes it seem as if this new show will be completely replacing Happily Ever After. But according to inside sources, this new show is only supposed to be operating throughout the 50th anniversary celebration from October 2021 to March of 2023. But either way, I'll keep you updated as we learn more about Disney Enchantment. But that's not all, as we've also had it confirmed that Disney will be installing 50 golden character statues called the Disney Fab 50. And as we can see in the concept art, there will be Mickey and Minnie featured within the hub. But this isn't just limited to the Magic Kingdom, despite many of the statues being featured there. But these gold decorative elements will be found across all 4 parks as well, with the series of statues celebrating all sorts of Disney characters, including attraction characters such as Figment. And then over at Disney's Animal Kingdom, we have learnt that a new daytime show called Disney Kite Tales will be coming to the Discovery River Amphitheatre. And as we can see in this live concept art, there will be wind catchers and kites in the foreground within the theatre seating, but then out on the water there will be elaborate 30-foot long 3-dimensional kites of Simba, Zazu, Baloo and King Louie that will dance to the rhythm of the music for this scenic daytime show. And then lastly, in terms of the news regarding the 50th for today, we have also received this sneak peek at the nighttime testing of Disney Harmonious in World Showcase Lagoon. And from the looks of things, the technology behind Harmonious, as expected, is sure to create an incredible nighttime spectacular. But I still don't think that the decision to keep these 5 barges permanently anchored in the middle of World Showcase Lagoon is a good idea, as they were clearly designed for the nighttime show and the daytime component was added later. And in terms of Disney's Hollywood studios, there is a rumoured report from blogmickey.com that Fantasmic may not return in time for the celebration kickoff on October 1st, and instead it will be undergoing more of an extensive refurbishment that will see this nighttime show return in 2022. But who knows, perhaps because of this rumoured extended downtime, it may provide an opportunity for Disney to bring back Fantasmic with show upgrades and enhancements, much like we saw over in Disneyland in 2017. However, despite this update for today only being very short, there is still plenty left to be officially confirmed to be coming to the 50th anniversary celebration, as we're expecting the return of daytime parades very soon, and with that we're also expecting an announcement regarding a special daytime anniversary parade for the 50th, even if it may end up repurposing some of the Festival of Fantasy floats and then rebranding it under a new 50th celebration name. And also we'll probably be receiving word of a few classic attractions receiving some additional magic in time for the celebrations, such as Big Thunder Mountain, that has been rumoured for a long time that it may receive the explosion projection effect that has already been installed in Disneyland and Disneyland Paris in the recent years, so it would be logical to assume that Walt Disney World would be getting the same effect. But now, it's over to you, the Waltoneers, as I would like to know what are your thoughts and opinions regarding the updates announced today, and also if you could add anything else to the 50th anniversary celebration that hasn't been already announced, then what would it be and why? And of course, don't forget to put the timestamp for where the hidden Mickey appeared somewhere in today's video along with your suggestion or your comment to be with a chance to win one of these official DSNY Newscast Avengers inspired pins. And so that's it for today, so be sure to go ahead and subscribe down below if you're new to this channel, hit the notification bell, and if you've enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give this video a massive thumbs up, as it really does help this channel out. And I've been Jack, You've been you, and I'll see you real soon.